Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use our fully integrated environment, Fidelity, in short videos of a few minutes. In this video, I will show you how to download, deploy, and use the admin tool to activate your license file or connect to a license server. First, we will register and log in to the Cadence support site to download the admin tool. Go to support.cadence.com. The first time you access the site, you will need to register using your email address and the host ID of your license server. The host ID is also located in your license file, as shown here. After completing the registration, log into the site and navigate to the menu Software, Download Software. On the left, choose the operating system of your license server. Under Releases, type Fidelity and make sure to select the one that does not contain pointwise in the name. The different releases are available on this page, with the newest release on top. Under the Documentation section, click on the archive that contains Admin Tool in the name. I will first demonstrate the process on Windows. Extract the tarball on your system and double-click on the executable to deploy the admin tool. It will ask you for the directory in which you want to deploy the Flexera files. You can browse to any directory you want or select the default one if it exists. Once the admin tool opens, you should see a license management folder being created that contains all the Flexera files you will need to start your license server. If an older license management folder already exists with the same name in the chosen directory, the oldest folder will be copied with a date and timestamp appended to its name. Going back to the admin tool, click on the license management icon. To activate from a license file, select the second option and browse to select the license file. If you have imposed a port in the license file, set the same port here before clicking on Activate. If you have received multiple license files, you can select them both by clicking on the Control key and then click on Activate. If you are connecting a client machine to a license server, use the third option and click on Activate. If the activation or connection is successful, it will appear on the bottom left of the window. You can also check in the License Server tab that the license server is reachable and that the daemon is running. Clicking on the server will show you the list of available features contained in the license file and how many are currently in use. You can also set the server to restart automatically after reboot of the machine from this tab, if you have admin rights on the machine. On Linux, the process is basically the same. Untar and launch the admin tool executable. You can follow the same steps in the admin tool as we have shown for Windows operating systems. If your machine is terminal-based, you can deploy the admin tool in batch using the following command. This will deploy the license management folder to the folder Numeka installation, in my case. From that directory, you will have access to the Flexera files needed to start the license server from a license file or connect to a license server using the command line options. For more information on starting the license server using the command line, search for License Manager on Linux in the Cadence portal search bar and open the note How to manually install and start the License Manager on Linux. You can refer to the instructions 5 to 8 as highlighted here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.